Our tool is still running the topic scout. So here it comes, here it goes. So it's going to give us a few ideas here. Taylor Swift's latest real estate moves. There's some rumors here about her selling one of her properties. Billionaires Row Exodus, why A-list celebrities are selling their ultra luxury NYC and LA houses, and Inside Wildest Celebrity Home Flippers. So there's a few topics here that it's going to give us. So what I'm going to do here is actually do this number 1, and I'm going to first ask AI about it. So it's going to go ahead and give me some information about this particular video. You don't have to do this, but now this is going to do all of the research for you about this video. Her Rhode Island beach expansion, her New York City portfolio, Beverly Hills. So I'm going to save all those to notes. Now that we know we have this topic here, I'm going to go ahead and click this, and that's going to bring us up to the title generator. We haven't forgot about the audience persona here. So aspirational Ava, it's going to tell us some viewer goals, some pain points, some suggested video topics, and that's what I'm kind of working on now. So now that we have this as our topic, I'm just going to simply hit generate titles. Then I'm going to come to the description and generate some descriptions. And then I'm also going to generate a thumbnail. And then let's come down to our full script. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So we can do a hook, a full script, a hook outline, a video script outline, or a full script. I'm going to do a full script here. And I want to just do a short video. I'm going to do engaging storytelling. So I'm going to do generate a full script. So now while that was running, let's come back up to our title generator and see if it got finished here. So our title generator gives us 5 great titles that we can use. It ranks them here. I'll probably use one of these here, so we can save all of these to notes.